Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear all messages in a Discord text channel. So let's get started. So go into your Discord and find the channel that you want to clear. So for example, there are a lot of messages in it and you just don't want to go manually and delete everything. So let me just spam some more. And as you can see, there's now a lot of messages and I really have no time to do this manually. So what you need to do is you can go right here on that channel which you want to clear and click edit channel. Oh no, I'm sorry. Right click it. After you have done that, press duplicate channel. Now, you may be wondering why we are doing this. Well, let me show you. Just duplicate it with the same name. Everything is the same when you duplicate it. And now you have the same channel, but with no messages. It's clear. And you can just, well, delete the old one, and it's like nothing ever happened. It's that simple. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comments section. And if you want more simple tutorials just like this, feel free to subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.